My name is Steve. I called LeafFilter because I was kind of tired of going up and cleaning my own gutters, and it was kind of annoying. I got so many trees around my house, but I had a little problem. They were starting to fall apart, and when I called and the gentleman came to give me a quote, um, he had said to me we could fix them, and I was like, "Are you sure?" And he said, "Yeah." And the techs came and they fixed everything, and it's great. I don't have to clean them anymore. The price was phenomenal. He gave me all kinds of discounts. Um, it wound up being a lot cheaper than I thought it was going to be. The techs were fabulous. They were quick. They cleaned everything up after they were finished. I have no problem with LeafFilter whatsoever. My gutters don't leak anymore. Everything was fixed. They're all straight now. They're not crooked like they were. It's just, I recommend LeafFilter. I really do.